What up guys, it's my Call of Duty here coming at you with another video. Now I've been seeing a lot of people saying that they have an Xbox One but unable to stream to YouTube Live. So I got some news for you actually, and we're going to get into it and I'll show you. In this video here I'm going to be going over how you can stream from your Xbox One to your YouTube channel, live streaming. And this will be streaming without a capture card or anything. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right on into it. How are we going to stream from Xbox One to YouTube gaming? Now there is one other thing that you do need for streaming from your Xbox One is a cell phone. As you can see, I'm on my Xbox. The first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to be at your home screen here. And what you're going to do is put your Xbox button, or push your Xbox button, and the tab will pop out. Now what you want to do is go to the satellite icon. Now we're going to click on set up your broadcast or broadcast. Now it will say this, preparing your broadcast, and you might have to wait a few seconds for it to load. Now it does say mixer, I know, but just follow through with me and you'll see how to do this. By the time you are done, you will be streaming on YouTube. Now what you want to do now is make sure your chat is off. Your chat will be on YouTube, so don't worry about clicking it off. Now what you're going to do is click on Start Broadcast. Now once you click on Start Broadcast, you're pretty much halfway there. Next, what you want to do is you're going to want to grab your mobile device on the mobile phone. Go to your Google Play Store. You're going to type in Mixer. This is the app that you're going to install. I already have it installed on my phone, but it will say install here, so go ahead and click on install it. And then the next app we're going to need is YouTube, if I can spell it correctly. Is YouTube Games or YouTube Gaming. Once you see it there, you click on it, go ahead and install it. Once it's installed, all of it's installed, you're going to go back to your Mixer. Going to go ahead and open it up. Give it a couple seconds here. And then you're going to search for whatever your username is. For instance, mine's Jumataz. Jumataz Gaming. You click on that and then you go to watch stream. Once it starts playing, you just open up the YouTube Gaming app. Go ahead and press start. Now we're going to log in. Alright, once you open it up, you're going to see this screen here. You're going to click on whatever account you have. For instance, we'll just use Jumataz Gaming. This little icon here where you see the arrow up and the little lines, you click on that. Go ahead and click next. Click stream, next. Go ahead and read through that and then click next. You pick the app Mixer. You type in what you want the stream to be named, the description of it, which I'll just leave at that. You can type whatever you want, and click next. You can also share the links. You allow it, allow it, allow it, start. Now your video will be playing there. All you have to do is tap on to stream where it says right there. You click on that and it will start streaming. Now all you have to do is click on the little bar there where it says now all you have to do is tap on the streaming app, which is this middle button here. When your video is playing on there, you can also have your face where this gaming logo would be, which you can turn it on and off. I just keep it off. Then you can have the mic where you can talk to your phone and everything. But that's how you can stream from your Xbox One to YouTube Live. It's kind of a workaround, but let me know what you guys think in the video, if it worked for you. It's been working for me pretty decently, so yeah, let me know what you guys think. Have a great day now.